Hey guys, it's Pilar, and I just had to show you this because I'm still in disbelief as to how much money you can make with SwagBucks. Now, I signed up for SwagBucks in March of 2022. It's roughly been about 2.5 months, and I'm currently earning $110 per month with this free website. And so I wanted to show you what my account is looking like and how I am doubling my points on SwagBucks. By the way, if you don't have a SwagBucks account yet, then there will be a link underneath this video. You can sign up with that link and you'll earn, I believe, a $10 bonus sign up reward. So one of the things that I've learned with SwagBucks is that they have these SwagBucks member recognition programs where you can reach different levels, which will give you additional bonuses not available to regular members. As you can see here, one of my bonuses is that I get a 12% discount on gift cards that I cash out on the first of the month or at the beginning of the month. As you can see here, I'm cashing out on a $25 Walmart gift card. They're just asking for additional verification of my account. So they're sending a code to my mobile phone. And once I do that, then they want me to confirm my information is correct. As you can see here, it's actually costing me only 2,200 SwagBuck points in order to get a $25 Walmart gift card. And once I answer the security question, then I get the Walmart gift card delivered straight to my inbox. It actually only took me 1 day to get the Walmart gift card, which is awesome. Whenever I cash out to a PayPal card, it does take a little bit longer. I want to say it takes about 3 days. But as you can see here, now I got this special level 4 reward from my SwagBucks recognition reward. And I got 100 SwagBuck points as part of my bonus for being a level 4 SwagBucks member. Okay, so as you can see here, this is my Walmart $25 gift card, and you can see the additional gift cards that I've already received with SwagBucks. It's really, really insane to me that I'm earning $110 using this free website. Now, if you haven't seen my other video, there is a video sharing how I started using SwagBucks, how I initially made my first couple $100. But as you can see here, another bonus reward for being a level 4 SwagBucks member is that I get double the points for doing surveys. Now, I thought surveys were crappy to do on this site. And once I realized that I can double my points, then I started giving that a second thought. And I did go ahead, I did a survey. I ended up getting 400 points for that. And as you can see, there's other daily bonus points I'm starting to get. So these bonus points are really starting to add up, and I'm starting to make a lot more now with SwagBucks. As you can see here, I got a featured badge. I think it's because I just finished one of my first daily bonuses. Now, this is still brand new to me, so I'm still learning this. I'm just showing you right now what I've learned in 2.5 months. But as you can see here, I still have member rewards to use up, and they tell me here, okay, you have 20 days left to use up this member reward where you can double your points on another 2 or 3 surveys. They're also telling me I have additional bonus points that I can get if I download the SwagBucks button. And then here you can see where I'm actually earning my bonus points and how I'm actually making money with SwagBucks. Now, if you want to do the same thing and double and triple your SwagBuck points so that you can start earning more money with SwagBucks, then I'm going to leave this link underneath this video. It's going to share with you all of the details for the SwagBucks member recognition program. But essentially, you need to first get up to 250 SwagBuck points, which is fairly easy to do. Again, I share how I immediately did that and more in my first video. You should see it linked somewhere above this video. But once you reach 250 lifetime SwagBuck points, then you can start reaching these levels. So these different levels, level 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on, they offer you different benefits and different bonuses. So level 1, you can see that you get a rebate for one of your gift cards that you cash out. You can double your SwagBuck points on your next surveys. Now I'm up to level 4, so I've already reached 10,000 lifetime SwagBuck points. And this is where I'm at right now. This is why I'm getting the 100 SwagBucks rebate points on that first gift card that I just showed you for Walmart. And as you can see here, they have all these different levels, and your points literally just start doubling and tripling and quadrupling the more you use the SwagBucks website. Now, in 2.5 months, again, I've made about I'm averaging about $110 per month with SwagBucks, but within the next about 3 or 4 months, I want to be able to average $300 per month with SwagBucks, and I'm going to do it by using the website and by also sharing my referral code with other users, because you do earn referral points with SwagBucks as well. You can earn up to 10% lifetime rewards when you refer other people to SwagBucks with your referral link. But I'm going to keep sharing with you guys updates on how this account is doing, but I definitely urge you guys to start using this website if you just want to make money from home, sitting on your computer, on your sofa, as I'm doing right now, and just earning money with this free website. Guys, please do me a favor. If you want to see more videos like this, hit that like button, subscribe to this channel, and I'll be sharing with you more of these types of videos on this channel for how to make money. I will see you again in the next one. Take care. Have a great day, guys. Bye-bye.